Imagine slipping this sleek little powerhouse into your pocket before heading out on that spontaneous adventure. The kind where the light hits just right, and every moment begs to be captured in crystal clear glory. That's the magic the DJI OSMO Pocket 4 is whispering to us through the grapevine, positioning itself as the game changer in compact gimbal cameras that creators everywhere have been dreaming of. It's not just another gadget. It's a seamless blend of wanderlust-friendly portability, jaw-dropping tech, and hands-on control that feels tailor-made for vloggers chasing sunsets, indie filmmakers crafting intimate tales, or travelers turning street corners into stories. What rumors have you heard buzzing about this one? Hit the comments below and share your take. I'm dying to hear if you're as hyped as I am. DJI has been the undisputed king of the creator's toolkit for years, turning wild ideas into polished visuals with effortless finesse. Now, with the Osmo Pocket 4 on the horizon, they're poised to shatter our notions of what a pocketable camera can pull off, drawing from whispers in creator circles and those tantalizing forum threads that keep us up at night. Picture this: a groundbreaking dual-sensor heart, packing a massive 1-inch beast akin to the ones powering DJI's Air 3 drone or Mini 4 Pro, paired with sharp 50-megapixel on vision chip for details that pop like fireworks. This setup isn't playing around. It can let you flip effortlessly from sweeping wide vistas to intimate close-ups, all while keeping quality locked in tight. So your vlogs flow like a well-edited dream without a single hitch. And oh, the brains behind it all. DJI is whispering about a next-level image processor that cranks out 4K footage at a buttery 240 frames per second, laced with 10-bit D-Log-M color science and HDR punch. We're talking footage that bursts with lifelike hues, shadows that whisper secrets, and clarity so vivid it feels like you're right there in frame. Slow-mo turns epic. Skin glows with that natural warmth, and the dynamic range? It rivals Beast's 3 times the size, handing you pro-level files fresh from the gimbal. But the real showstopper might be the evolved ActiveTrack 7.0, where AI smarts team up with the Pocket's trusty 3-axis stabilization for tracking that's almost psychic. Whether it's you dashing through a market, your pup bounding across a beach, or a bike zipping by, it locks on and follows with unflinching precision. No fumbling required. For those lone wolf creators filming their own escapades on the move, this is the upgrade that sets you free to just create. Usability gets a glow up too, with talk of a vibrant 2.5-inch OLED screen that's brighter than a summer noon, colors that leap off the glass, and taps that respond like they're reading your mind. Perfect for tweaking on the fly, even when the sun's got your back. The interface? Streamlined like a favorite playlist, putting focus pulls, exposure tweaks, mode switches, and residential settings at your fingertips, so you pivot from golden hour to chaotic street vibes without missing a beat. On the build side, expect a touch more heft for that premium feel, wrapped in grippy textures that hug your palm, smarter button placements, and maybe even a nifty little joystick for gimbal tweaks. Echoing control a full rig, but all in one hand, like it was born for the rush. Under the hood, a revamped processor promises zippy processing, smarter heat handling, and marathon sessions that won't tap out mid-time lapse, a godsend for those endless vlog days. Sound stepping up in a big way, too. Envision a trio of mics tuned for direction, slicing through wind howls or crowd chatter to spotlight your voice like a spotlight on stage. Plus seamless hooks for wireless mics that deliver broadcast crispness without the extra baggage. It's a full audiovisual dream for jet-set storytellers, podcasters on the prowl, or YouTubers dodging gear overload. Low-light lovers rejoice. Leaks hint at a dual native ISO setup that banishes noise from twilight strolls, pulling details from the shadows with mirrorless-level finesse. Throw in a log mode baked with LUT presets, and you're color grading your way to that buttery cinematic sheen prose chase with hulking cinema rigs. All from post, no sweat. Staying connected? Wi-Fi 6 for lightning uploads, Bluetooth 5.3 for rock-solid links, and a USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 port that zips those hefty 10-bit files to your laptop or the cloud in a flash. Power-wise, it's built to last, stretching to 180 minutes of 4K bliss on one charge, with quick top-ups hitting 80% in under 20 minutes. Ideal for those hit-and-run shoots on the road, less traveled. The DJI Mimo app's getting a fresh coat of AI magic, too. Auto edits that nail compositions, cloud syncs for instant sharing, and clever templates that weave in slick cuts, beats, and captions for your TikTok scrolls or Insta feeds. Craving more? Modular add-ons like swappable lenses, grip packs, or wireless screens could turn this pint-sized wonder into your custom toolkit. Stack it against the GoPro Hero 13 Black's Rugged Rush, the Insta360 Flow Pro Spin Cycle Tricks, or Sony ZV E10 II's Hybrid Hustle, and the Pocket 4 shines with DJI's secret sauce. Gimbal smoothness fused with computational wizardry that no one else touches. Price around $599 to $749, it'll claim the throne in premium pockets, wooing weekend warriors and indie auteurs alike with on-the-go cinema that doesn't skip a frame. Insiders peg a late 2025 debut, timed with DJI's classic year-end flair, maybe bundled with drone buddies or fresh extras to supercharge that creator universe. At its core, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 weaves tech wizardry with everyday grit and storyteller soul, a beacon for this wild age of digital narratives, where your clips have to spark, shift, and stick the landing. It's the sidekick that lets you snag epic horizons, moody urban pulses, or those raw, real-life snippets, all stabilized, sharpened, and ready to share without a whisper of compromise. DJI isn't just tweaking the formula here. They're rewriting the book, evolving a humble vlogger's pal into a mobile mastery machine. From that 4K at 240 frenzy and HDR hard to AI eyes, rock-steady gimbals, whisper quiet mics, and that OLED command center, plus marathon juice and seamless links. It's all leading to this. The Osmo Pocket 4 isn't another shooter. It's your sleek, savvy portal to pro storytelling, tucked right in your pocket. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.